The future of jobs in 2030. Will AI take your career? By 2030, the job landscape will be unrecognizable. AI and automation are reshaping industries at lightning speed. So, which careers will thrive and which will fade away? Ready to dive into the future? Subscribe to Incognito Future Lab and let us know in the comments what you want to see next. Now, let's get into it. Part 1. Jobs at risk. Routine jobs like data entry, telemarketing, and parts of accounting are at risk of being automated. AI is already writing reports, answering customer queries, and managing schedules. Part 2. New jobs created. But it's not all doom and gloom. Technology also creates opportunities. AI trainers, robot technicians, and new sectors in clean energy and biotech are set to boom by 2030. Part 3. How to stay ahead. The future favors those who adapt. Skills in creative thinking, problem solving, and technology will be crucial. Workers who embrace AI will have a significant advantage over those who don't. So, by 2030, jobs won't disappear. They'll transform. The real question is, will you evolve? Share your thoughts on which job you think AI will impact the most. And don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for weekly insights into the future of work, money, and technology.